External CSS represents a highly effective methodology for web design, allowing for the integration of a separate CSS file with an HTML document. This practice not only promotes the reusability of styles, but also facilitates better management across multiple pages, thereby enhancing the overall consistency and coherence of the web application. In contrast, inline CSS is often utilized for quick and immediate styling directly within HTML tags. However, it is crucial to recognize that the overuse of this method can lead to disorganized and convoluted code. Understanding the limitations of inline CSS, as well as exploring its alternatives, becomes essential for effective web development. Internal CSS offers a different approach by allowing developers to incorporate a style tag within the head of an HTML document. This technique facilitates organized styling from a single location, making it a preferred option for maintaining cleaner code in comparison to inline styles, thus promoting better readability and maintainability. Interestingly, inline CSS is prioritized over internal CSS in the cascade of style application. This can be illustrated effectively by removing the inline styles and observing the resultant changes in color. Such outcomes underscore the significance of understanding how styles are applied and the hierarchy that governs them. The process of linking an external CSS file becomes evident through practical demonstration, such as the creation of a file named tut13.css. This exercise showcases how styles can be applied externally, thereby enhancing the visual design of web pages and allowing for greater flexibility in style management. The video also underscores the principle that any CSS declarations written subsequently will override previous styles. This crucial understanding highlights how the order of style rules can significantly impact the final appearance of web elements, ensuring that developers are mindful of the sequence in which they declare their styles. Furthermore, CSS properties are executed based on their order in the code, meaning that later declarations inherently take precedence over earlier ones unless explicitly marked with important directive. This principle informs best practices in the management of CSS styles. The use of the important declaration in CSS is particularly noteworthy, as it secures a specific style from being overridden by any subsequent styles. This reinforces the priority of the designated style, ensuring that critical aesthetic elements maintain their intended presentation. In summary, there are three fundamental types of CSS: inline, internal, and external. Each type adheres to distinctive precedence rules that govern how styles are applied to HTML elements, thereby influencing the overall visual presentation of web content.